What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, How to Cook. Today we're making these delicious chicken wings in my Farberware as you guys has requested. Be sure that you like, share, and subscribe to the channel, goodie, if you have not. And for all I'm returning goodie on a don't know semi loving on a ready for cook, come on, let's cook.
Look what prayer can do. Hypocrite and bad mind must flow. The same mouth will cheer for you, and the same one them would turn round and boo. Yeah, prayer me I use and win. Prayer me I use and win.
Alright, goodies, you ready for cook? Let's cook. We have a large onion here that has been finely chopped with 2 tablespoons of butter. That's the first thing you're going to do. Second, you're going to go ahead and turn on your Farberware. You're going to go up to number 9, right? Keep pressing until you get to 9, and when you get to 9, you hit start. Now, what you're going to do next, your finely chopped onions here and your 2 tablespoons of butter, you're going to go ahead and place it inside of the Farberware. We are going to allow these onions to caramelize with the butter. Do its magic. Okay, so while that is being caramelized, what we're going to do here is season our wings. So we're going to add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and rub in your spices. That is all you need right here, but of course you could always substitute your seasoning of choice. Allow this to sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now in a container, you're going to add some barbecue sauce or any sauce that you like, but barbecue sauce is preferred for the recipe. Now you want to thin out the sauce using a little bit of water, not a lot, just a tad bit, and mix the two together. Now we're going to combine everything in the Farberware. Now that our onions are nicely caramelized and it smells amazing, it sure does. It's time to add our wings in to our pot. But before you do that, this is what you'll need to do. I do hope that you're enjoying this recipe, y'all. It's very fast, easy, and simple. Alright, so we are going to turn off the Farberware here, okay? Turn it off. So you hit stop. Then you put the wings in. And mix the onions and the butter together. Make sure that it's nicely covered on those wings. And then you go in and add the barbecue mix, the sauce that you made earlier. Just pour it on top of your wings, just like so. And mix all together. So next we are going to go ahead and cover the Farberware nice and tight. And now we're going to set the Farberware to cook these wings. So you want to hit start and press number 6 and hit start. Now listen, everything is all on the front, so you guys will get it right, okay? Now after 30 minutes, because it does take 30 minutes to cook, this is what you have in your Farberware. Your wings are nice and tender and perfect, okay? That's what you have, honey. Delicious wings in 30 minutes. So all I did was just go ahead and remove them from the Farberware, place them on a serving tray. Everyone was waiting for these wings, so I kid you not. I just went ahead and just chopped up some parsley, fresh parsley, and sprinkled on the wings and a little bit of sesame seeds here, just for decor purposes. And it was good to go, my darlings. All done. That's how simple it is. All right. I hope you guys did enjoy this one. Please don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Bring them, come and send them, come. I am waiting. When you get done doing all of that, tell them what you want to see me I cook next. In my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy.